Hey everybody, welcome back. Today, Lisa and I, we're on the Holland America, New Amsterdam. We are on deck 7, which is the Rotterdam deck. I point out the names and the numbers because before you get on the ship, there are no numbers. Their deck planes just have names. So just know the Rotterdam deck on the New Amsterdam is deck 7. Anyway, this is a passenger cabin deck. So we're going to show you where your cabin is in relationship to all the stairs and elevators, crew doors, pantries, stuff like that. Now, if you've never seen us do one of these videos, I cannot turn the camera for you to see every door and every door number. If I do, well, you'd get seasick, ironically. So I'm going to call the numbers and use my finger to point them out. And do us a huge favor. When you see and or hear your door called, your cabin, leave a comment below and let us know when you're sailing on the beautiful New Amsterdam. Next, as you see here, they have great different color carpet, has the ship pointing the direction we're going, as well as the words. And this happens at all the stairs and elevators. So it is very, very easy to navigate. All right, so let's get going. 7027. Steward station, which is a crew door. 25, 23. Crew door. 21, 19. Crew door, which is a fire locker. 17, 15. 13, 11, 9, 7, 5. Okay, anytime you see one of these silver doors, these are pantries. And here is your ice station, glasses for the cabins. It means the crew is in here often washing them. The couple times we've been by here, they've been a little noisy. Not exactly 100% quiet. So it's right across from 7003. So anytime I call off pantry, that might be a little bit louder area. Crew door 1, crew area. Now, it says crew only, but I believe this is access to the other side of the, oh no, it's not. I thought that was access to the other side of the ship. We're gonna have to walk back to the elevators and cut across that way. We'll see you on the other side. All right, everybody, here we are now all the way at the other side. Again, crew only door 7002, again, number 2. Where does the exit crew door? Lisa. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, crew door, 26, 28, 30 at the steward station, 32. And again, that's your forward elevators and stairs. 34. Looks like a passenger cabin, but there's no number. 36, which I think is a special suite. Nice. That's nice artwork out there. Crew door. That's a special suite. 38, 40. Crew door, 42, crew door, 44, 46, storage, crew door, pantry, 48, 50, and access to the Neptune Lounge, okay? Those are staying in suites, have access to that. You see it's key protected, so we can't get in there and see that. I'm assuming that's also for like your upper loyalty levels. 52, 54, steward station, which is where they keep their carts and towels and things. 56, crew door. 58, midship, elevators and stairs. There's elevators down there, stairs and elevators, and then elevators completely on the other side. 60, crew door, steward station and a crew door. 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, crew door. 80. 82, crew door. 84, crew door. 86, which is right here at the opening to the aft elevators and stairs. 88, 90, 92, which opens right up to the secondary entrance to the aft elevators and stairs. Crew door. 94, steward station. 96, 98, 100, 102, 104, and 106. 108, 10, 12, and 14. 116, 18, 20. 122, crew door. 124 and 26. 128, 130, 132, 134, 136. Oh, at the back of the ship now. 138, crossing over to the odd side, which is 143, 141, 139, and 137. 135, 33, 131, 29, 27, and 25. 123, 21, 19, and 17. 115, 13, 11, and 9, 107, 105, 3, and 101, 99, 97, 95, and 73, 91, which is got direct access to the secondary entrance to the stairs and elevators here in the aft, 89, 87, 85, which is right here at the entrance to the aft elevators and stairs. Your steward station, pantry, right across from 83 and 81. That area could be a little bit noisy. 79, crew door. 77, R021, I have no idea. 70, 75, 73. 71, 69, 67, 65, 63, 61, crew door, steward station. 59, midship elevators and stairs, or right here. 57, crew door. 55. Again, see the change in the color of carpet? This steward station, by the way. 53, 51. Here's your entrance for the Neptune Lounge on this side of the ship. I would love to see in there, but we just can't get in. Oh well.
You said 51?
I'm pretty sure I said 51. Did I not?
I don't.
I'm pretty sure I did. In case I didn't, we'll backtrack. 7051. We had to get all the way through and miss one door. 49. 47. Crew door. The pantry. Crew only. 45. Crew only. 43. 41. 39. 37 and 35. 33. Do believe this is one of the big suites. One, because I have some cool artwork there. And two, just look at the door. 7031. Yeah. There's no number here. I wonder if that's like an exit
B.
to that. I don't know.
I guess because it was summer or something.
Yeah, we'll try to sneak in there. 7029, 7027, which is right where we started. So we now have gone 360 degrees here on deck 7, which is the Rotterdam deck. Don't forget to let us know when you saw your cabin in the comments below and when you're sailing on the beautiful Nieuw Amsterdam. Until we see you on another ship or another deck, be safe. Ciao.